Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel! This is my video now, and today well, I know what they're doing today. They're liking this video, subscribing, turning on post notifications. Anyways, we've locked the girls out.
Yeah.
You want to come in?
Because basically
they're not worthy enough.
Don't touch my lens.
Okay.
Basically, what's happening today is Liana.
Hi.
You showed up with this huge box.
I did.
And
do.
I don't know what's inside of it. But you told me that I should film it, and now I'm gonna unbox it, and the creepy guy in the background's here. This is the box that we have, guys.
Oh, I lost it. Yeah.
Don't you like my wrapping skills? Because I totally
That's a very nice box.
did it all by myself.
Wait, is it living?
Hey,
Is it living?
that's my box. I did that.
Okay, there's a lot going on.
Hey, now.
You're an all-star.
We have a slight problem. We don't know how to.
Stop!
Rubbing my
There's
tail.
something important in there, so stop kicking it.
How should we get this in your room?
Like this.
No, that's
Oh,
how.
I know my wiper.
I'm gonna break my box, I know.
You're gonna break what's in the
that's
box.
my-
I don't care about what's in the box.
That's my box, guys. No. Should we just like cut some of the box off?
I think we should cut
I think
Liana
we
off.
either have to cut some
Why
of the box
me?
off, or we have to,
Swear.
or we have to disassemble it,
Okay.
We
And
might have
then-
to do that.
assemble it back
Yeah.
in here. But you can't be in here for that. Can you not hit me?
No, I'm
Okay.
trying to hit him.
Well,
because
it's
he
not
can-
working. You're
he
hitting me.
can-
I say let's just cut off some of the box.
I say let's just do it in another room.
Shut up.
Not yet.
All right. Let's cut some of this box off.
Hi.
I had to leave the room so they could disassemble the box so they could actually fit it through the door.
I agree.
And now we fit it through the door.
We finally fit it through the door!
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Now,
Let's open it.
yeah.
What's inside of
I'm so excited for you to see what's inside
it?
of
But
it.
what's inside of
I can't
it?
tell you. You have to open the
Can I
box.
say what's inside of
Do
it?
you know what's inside of it?
It's money.
I know what's inside of it.
Let's open the box! Hey guys. Alright. So we had to disassemble the box and bring it back in. But I wasn't in here for that. Can you shut up?
Yeah, look.
Alright. I'm excited to open this box. It's a big box.
It's a really big box.
It's a pretty big box.
It's like half the size.
It's like humongous.
Alright.
All right.
It's the same
I got
height
it.
as Liana.
What? Yes. I got you. Alright, well.
That's how you open the box.
Okay.
All right.
Start. That's not gonna go.
Jentzen,
That's not gonna work well.
Alright.
thank you.
Thank you, Mitch.
All right.
Jentzen, come on.
What?
Open it!
I'm trying!
Dude, we're literally
Oh my God,
waiting
this
for
is
you.
the perfect box to get in.
Why is there bubble wrap on the outside?
Open it!
Open it! Epic montage!
Be careful. There's something really important in there. You have to be careful.
What if it's like a...
Yeah, be careful.
Dude, what if it's a kitty cat? Guys. Jentzen. Oh my
All right.
gosh. Jentzen and Box ship.
Yeah.
Jocks.
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 All right.
Jentzen.
Oh my God.
Okay, are you ready? 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Another box.
Why?
Surprise!
Cause.
This is fun. This is
Watch
really,
it be
really
like a
fun.
little post-it note. Okay. Jentzen, are you ready?
Okay. Wait.
You know what
It's
that
another
is?
box. But it's a special box! Jentzen, you get a special box. There's nothing in the box, by the way.
My address is on this. Alright, guys.
Alright.
I got the box!
Jentzen has acquired the box.
So excited.
Someone from YouTube touched this!
Yes.
You work at YouTube?
Wait, if you work at YouTube, are you a YouTuber?
Alright, guys. It's time for the moment of truth.
I'm so excited!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that?
Oh.
Oh,
Blackboard!
Wait, hold on. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's so cool! Oh my gosh.
Wait, you're supposed to open it like that? I opened up this part and like slid it out.
It's fucking amazing.
look at it! So cool!
Where are you gonna
Yeah.
put your room?
On my wall.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say thank you.
Why are you so mean?
Hi.
Aww.
Thank you for helping me get there.
What's that say?
And I wanted to say thank you to Juliana for supporting me. And thank you to my best friend Lev.
Back there. Ew, you're actually.
This is about to be a really awkward hug. Alright.
And okay, Lev. And thank you to Claire.
For being my cousin, being a person.
Yeah. And Mitch is behind the camera.
Well, thank you to. No,
Thank you for
do
making
not
us
go in front
not
of the
laugh.
camera.
Yeah.
You had a really hard week.
Let's make it a hard month.
Alright, guys. This is really cool.
This is really
Thank
cool.
you so much.
You also have to thank them because they're amazing.
I know, I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you so
Actually,
much.
like he would have 0 subscribers.
I know.
That's 2.
Alright. Well, I guess that was today's
Thank you
video.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for supporting my brother. I don't quite
Yes.
understand, but thank you. I love y'all.
Thank you for supporting this dude.
Yes. Thank you for subscribing, guys.
Guys,
Thank
subscribe
you.
to me.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
You can subscribe to Lev if you want. I don't think he posts good content.
I think. Well, yeah, the videos with you in it isn't that good, but
Oh.
you know,
Well, yeah. Well, my videos with you in it aren't that good.
no, actually, they're pretty good.
No.
I feel like we need to get to the outro at this point.
Anyways,
I feel like you have to just stop.
I feel like you just have to stop.
you can
I feel like-
subscribers. Subscribe to everyone in this video. Their links are in the description. I love you
Make
guys.
sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.
Why?
That was today's video. I love you guys.
so
Bye.
much.
Bye.
Bye.